In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Strava activity map from public view. If you use Strava to track your runs, rides, or hikes, it's important to control who can see where you go. This quick walkthrough will help you lock down your visibility so your routes are only shared with the audience you choose. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. From the bottom of the screen, tap U to go to your profile area. This is where your personal preferences and privacy settings live. In the top right corner, tap the gear icon to open settings. Inside settings, scroll until you find privacy controls and tap that to open Strava's privacy options. In privacy controls, look for the section called Where You Appear. Tap Activities. This screen determines who can see your activities and, importantly, the route map that shows where you've been. You'll see an option labeled Who Can See Your Activities. Choose the level that fits your comfort. Only me or followers only. If you select Only Me, your activities and their maps are completely private. No one else will be able to view them in feeds, on your profile, or by searching. This is the best choice if you want maximum privacy for your routes. If you select followers only, your activities and maps will be visible only to people you've approved as followers. They won't be visible to the general public, so your routes won't be exposed to anyone you haven't allowed to follow you. As soon as you make your selection, Strava saves it automatically. You can back out to confirm your choice appears next to Activities under Where You Appear. You can return to this setting anytime if you want to adjust your visibility later. A quick note on what this change does. By limiting who can see your activities, you're also limiting who can see your activity maps. That means your start and finish locations, as well as the full route, won't be publicly visible. This can be especially important if you regularly start from home or work and want to avoid sharing those locations with strangers. If your app layout looks a little different, make sure you're on the latest version of Strava, as menus can occasionally be updated. And remember, you're in control. Only Me gives you total privacy, while Followers only keeps your community engaged without exposing your routes to the public. That's all it takes. Open Strava, go to You, tap the gear, choose privacy controls, then under Where You Appear, tap Activities and set Who Can See Your Activities to Only Me or Followers only. Your activity map is now protected from public view.